Jamboard comes with your Google Suite, so I know a lot of you are already using Google for many things, including Google Classrooms. What's really cool about Google Jamboard is that it's a lot like a smartboard, but you can do it virtually with your classmates, even over the internet. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna click New Jam. So you could either use this with other students for a project, if you wanted to brainstorm together in real time, or your teacher might ask you to do something on the Jamboard during class to demonstrate your knowledge. You have a pen, you have a marker, a highlighter, and a brush. I see it changes to blue. So you can doodle all sorts of things. Maybe the teachers are giving you a prompt in the language and they're asking you to draw what you think the prompt means. So they're talking about the ocean. There's an eraser tool. If you're like, no, I don't want that. Or you can clear the whole frame. So there's these sticky notes. Hello, my name is Jade. We got here. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can move it around. Nice to meet you. Google image search. Let's say you want to make a Venn diagram. Let's insert this. Pull it up here. We're going to make it bigger. I'm going to add stuff to it. Sticky notes. So let's say I got cars. You can see these are all pretty loud things, right? You can make a Venn diagram this way. If you wanted to brainstorm with your classmates, you could do something like this. Food. And you're trying to come up with lots of different food in the language. So, and then of course from there, you can draw more lines. Sweet. Right? So you could do this with your classmates together. If you wanted to brainstorm for a project, it's really easy. You don't need to be in the same place. And you can also use it in the classroom. You can add shapes. You can change how the shape functions. So if you want a triangle, this is really cool. It is an animation. So you can do this and then it disappears. You can go up here to more actions. You can rename the jam. And then you can download this as a PDF. You can save this frame as an image. You can make a copy. You can remove it.